Hello guys. So in this video we'll be getting started with C programming language. So throughout this videos we will understand what is C programming language. We will understand various concepts in C programming language, and then we'll write some codes for each and every functions what we learn. So this is what we'll be doing. So let's get started with what is C programming language. So initially C programming language, it was generally built for some hardware devices such as drivers and kernels, and it was considered, C is also considered as your base programming language. That is, anyone who wants to learn programming, they always start with C programming language. That is how it got its name, mother language, because it's very basics. To understand the basic concepts for any high level programming language, object oriented programming language, we generally start with C programming language. Now, C programming language are also known as many other words like mother language, system programming language, procedure oriented programming language, then structure programming language, and also mid-level programming language. So all these are also the names of C programming language. Now, why do they usually call C these words? Now, why is usually C called as mother language? As I said, it is modern programming language, and because of which, the basic concepts that you use in other language can understand thoroughly in C, and it's very easy to interpret and write in C. And also C is a system programming language where you can write drivers, you can write low level programmings for kernels, you can write codes for interacting with hardware, OS, and multiple things. And if you see, the Linux kernel is also written in C programming language. That important it is for system programming. And C is a procedure oriented programming language. So what is a procedure oriented programming language? So procedure oriented programming language gives emphasis more on data and function. That is, you have some function, you feed in some data input, and you get some output. That is all your procedure oriented programming language can do. And then C is also a structure programming language where you have a structure which you have to follow. So there is a detailed structure which you have to follow, guidelines to write the program. Now if you misplace any of this, then it is definitely going to give you a compile time error. So this was introduction about your C language, what you will be learning. So next video we'll get started with C programming.